We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Navycrest 5G Wi-Fi dashcam, front and rear with 64 gigabit card, consists of the following features. Stunning sharp video quality. Navycrest Q7 dashcam front and rear is equipped with an industrial-leading Sony IMX sensor, which can record the road events in detail from the front and rear side of your car at 2.5K, 1440p, plus 1080p resolution, provide as much as details such as road signs, vehicle number plates and more. Capture the vital evidence from the front and rear side when a dispute, accident happens. 5G Wi-Fi dash camera for cars and app control. Equipped with cutting-edge 5G Wi-Fi module, allow 4x download speed, up to 8 megabit per second, compared to other 2.4G. Easily connect to our Q7 dash camera for cars. You can instantly view the live time video from the front and rear side of your car, and adjust the settings of the Q7 car camera. With a few simple taps, you can download the albums from the app, edit them, and share them on social media. 24/7 parking mode support. To achieve this function, an extra car accessory hardwire kit is required, not included in the package. Q7 dashcams for cars will enter parking mode after your car is off. You can set the parking mode as your preference. Parking monitor, auto start recording when a collision happens. Time-lapse recording keeps recording continuously with low power consumption and low frame rate. Provides around-the-clock protection to your cars. Super night vision and compact size. With the combination of hardware, Sony sensor plus 6 glass lens, and software, wide dynamic range technology, the Q7 car camera performs well in color precision and clarity whether day or night. Thanks to the discreet size, it won't shade your sight whilst driving. The simplified wiring design and the wiring tool that came with the package make it easy to install in your car. Loop recording and gravity sensor. The Q7 dashcam will automatically overwrite the oldest videos with the latest videos when the insert memory disk reaches its max storage to achieve seamless loop recording. For the videos when the G sensor is triggered, most unusual collisions will trigger the built-in 3-axis gravity sensor. They become unable to be deleted. Save them as evidence in case you need. 64 gigabit card included, extra port in car charger. Allows you to plug and play as a free 64 gigabit card is included. You don't need to purchase an extra card for Q7 separately. The lighter port charger of Q7 contains a USB port, which can allow you to charge your cell phone or other electric device on the way, and this will not take away the charging source in your car while the camera is recording. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.